what's up you guys? Good morning actually. Hope you guys are all doing well. We are here today at the one and only Blizzard Beach because I heard that they're not going to be offering the Platinum Plus passes anymore here at Walt Disney World, and our pass is coming up soon to renew. So we'll unfortunately be downgrading over to the premium, to the regular Platinum, but that's all right because we still came here to have fun today at Blizzard Beach, and they do have tickets on sale like normally, and it's actually $49 with your pass holder discount, which I think is a really good deal. So, well, it's almost opening time, so let's head on in. I'm currently here for rope drop at Blizzard Beach. It's very exciting. I haven't been to this water park in a very long time. The crowd is getting longer here to enter Blizzard Beach. Oh my gosh. Currently waiting for the park to actually open. So this is literally a rope drop that I'm waiting on. We're in the park now. We're in the water park. Managed to get here for a rope drop, and we got an amazing spot. It's right here. Like, you can see the pool and stuff. It's a very beautiful spot. I don't know how I did it, but I just ran right in. I just took off as soon as the rope dropped. Still can't believe how I did it. But it is a very beautiful day here today at Blizzard Beach. It's very sunny, some clouds, but overall it's really, really nice. And already I can see a Joffrey's right next to those funnel cakes and cotton candy. So I'm gonna go get my cup of coffee. Funnel cakes and cotton candy on our way over towards Joffrey's. And here's the Joffrey's. Look what it says right here. Frosty the Joe Man was a Java happy soul. Thank you. From Joffrey's I have the sweet and tangy, which is like a mandarin iced tea, and it's really, really good. Very refreshing, especially for today since today is so hot. And my grandmother got her usual, which is a chai latte. You enjoying it? Yeah. Again, it's a very beautiful day here today at Blizzard Beach. Can't wait to go in the pool. Seriously, it looks so refreshing right now, considering it's very hot here today. You can see Summit Plummet right up there. Someone's going down already! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh, I'm terrified. In case you guys are wondering why the concrete looks wet, they actually have sprinklers running all along the sides here because in the dry patches it gets really hot, so gotta run into the cool again. Here is one of the sprinklers, and there's also a really nice shot of the lazy river right in front of me. And right above the station for the lazy river, they have Lotta Wada Lodge, which is where you can get like more like American food, like burgers and pizzas and stuff. We just have everything covered up. We'll show you guys at our cabana. So this is our order. Look at the pizza box, you guys. Look at how cute it is. Mickey, this is pizza. Let's see. It's a pepperoni cheese pizza. And then right over here we also have our burgers. Again, we're waiting for our family to come back. We just went into the wave pool quickly, but they're coming right back. To enjoy our food now. It's $16.99 for this whole pizza, which is, it looks bigger than a Pizza Hut pizza. That's a really good deal.
It looks bigger than a Pizza Hut large.
Yeah, it does. Totally does. Lazy River right in front of me. Something I forgot to mention to you guys, that they actually have patios that you can rent out. But yeah, you can rent these out. They're all along there, any of these green umbrellas. Chairlift to Mount Gushmore. That's where we're going to be going up. It's like a gondola ski lift. Well, this is nice. Huh?
Very cool.
This is really cool. I like how the one for handicap looks like the Skyliner. Do not swing or bounce chair. Yeah, I hope not. Look at the view.
Beautiful.
I know. Oh, look at the slides. Are you gonna go on that one, Mom?
No.
Why?
That little boy in line told me, don't do it.
Are you sure? Maybe he was afraid.
No. He said he hurt his elbows on
Oh no.
I can't do that.
Okay, I believe you, but look, someone's going down. It's a brave soul.
No.
Oh my gosh.
I think I'd end up with a giant wedgie. That wouldn't be very pretty.
No. Do you remember we saw that brave soul when we were coming in today?
Yeah.
He was pulled out a line to volunteer to go first.
Yeah. Little boy?
Yeah, I would have just been like, no.
Yeah. Pass.
Pass.
Nice view up here, though.
It really is like all this it's shady too.
Yeah.
It's really nice here. Well, it's a nice day today too.
Yeah.
Like a little kid area. But yeah, so if you guys have little kids, there's actually like a little kids area right in the back there. It's towards the right of the summit plummet, so just towards your right. But it has like slides, a shallow pool, swings, all that sort of fun stuff for the little ones.
Yeah. We're gonna go on this one after. The
Yeah.
two.
Yeah.
I remember that one was really fun.
Yeah, oh, someone's coming down again though. Oh no. Oh no.
Straight drop, dude.
I don't like that.
Oh, it's scary.
Oh boy, are they gonna come down?
It's like a free fall.
Oh.
I would probably, how does he not like leave?
Leave the thing, right?
Yeah, must be airborne at some point. Look. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's crazy.
I would get water up my nose.
I know. That one looks fun. See?
This one, yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
I've done this one before.
I think we have, yeah. But last time we were here.
Just got off of the ski lift.
Ooh, Tower 10.
I know, you can see everything from here. Right up here, you can see a very nice view of everything here. Not just the water park, even though you can see the water park and how big it is, which looks really cool. Like, look at, there's a gondola we just came up, the kiddie area, the little tubes, and Summit Plummet and Mount Gushmore. But right through there, you guys can see the Swan and Dolphin hotels alongside Swan Reserve. You can also see the Hollywood Tower of Terror and the Disney Junior building right over there. You can also see some more stuff right over there. Wow, look at all that stuff.
Is that the outlet mall down there?
I think that's the yeah, that's the outlet mall through there. Like
I think.
it looks like the some of the hotels and stuff.
Like where the Vineland ones are?
Mhm, it looks like that. Old Town around there.
I don't know, maybe.
But it's still a nice view.
I know.
But you guys can see everything here.
Wow.
Yeah. Coming down the stairs.
Little kid area, I think.
It is a little kid area, Mama. At least the stairs aren't burning hot.
Well, on some patches they are.
But not as bad as how it was up there.
Oh, I know. I think I got blisters on my feet.
Uh-oh. I hope you're okay. Careful though, Mama.
Yep.
It's still a nice view from even up here.
Yeah.
All the gondolas going up.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to go? Keep going?
We're ready.
Okay.
My little kids area.
Mommy.
Fun. They got like an obstacle course.
I know, right?
Yeah.
They have one of these things where you grab onto the Fahrenheit drop.
Yeah.
You grab onto it, it stops suddenly, so you like automatically let go, and you just fall.
Yeah. What was that one? It was like that one in that show in Canada. Remember with the big ball?
Oh, Wipeout.
Wipeout.
Yeah.
It was like Wipeout.
Kinda.
Course.
Oh my god, the baby's name is Button. That's so cute. Her name is Button. Oh, there's a little chalk art of Goofy on the ground here. Oh, it's so cute. It says welcome right over here as well. I guess the ice skater must have crashed into the village house building. Beach house. Beach house.
Is that up?
There's a little photo opportunity right here. Sunny Sleds has one of these sleighs in the front. Again, good photo opportunity. Oh, there's two sleighs. So again, good photo opportunity. At Blizzard Beach, though, there's also Winter Summerland, which is miniature golf. Sort of Christmas themed, but also summer, if that makes any sense. You have to buy an extra ticket to actually get in, but there's a really nice photo opportunity right up here with the castle. It's a snow castle rather than a sand castle. It's a snow castle. It was a sand castle.
Oh.
That's cute. It reminds me of the you know, the Give Kids the World village we went to? It's kind of what it reminds me of. Yes, I'm filming, Mother. It says Winter Summerland is right this way. What does the other sign say? The fun begins. Oh, come on! It has Christmas decorations! Oh, it looks so cute! Okay, the fun begins at Santa's sleigh. That's the ticket booth, I'm guessing. Look at how cute it looks! Oh my gosh! It looks like that Christmas village that you have.
Yep. Beautiful.
I know. Christmas. Oh, look at it! Well, we didn't take down our tree. Both of them. They're still up.
Oh, take it. This is the last one, right when you're coming in the front. Oh, it's beautiful.
Isn't it? This is beautiful. Hey, well, it is July. You know they say Christmas in July.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so pretty. Look at it. Yeah, again, guys, this is like miniature golf, so you guys can purchase your tickets here. And they do open from 10 in the morning to 10 at night, so it's really long, the operating hours. Has two sides. It has a summer course, which is over here, then a winter course. Oh, this is so cute. Presented to Santa, our Winter Summerland founder, from the Elf Lodge North Pole chapter.
Oh my goodness.
It is. It's beautiful. Listen to the Christmas music.
Christmas in July.
It is Christmas in July.
Look, all of this.
I know, it's so pretty. I love it.
And look at this. Look at
It's a camper, Mama. Hey, Nanny, the plate. It says "Come into town." Clever. Oh, the tablecloth is reindeers.
Oh wow.
That is so cute. It's like your old tablecloth. Santa's sleigh is parked right outside. Right outside the camper. So this concludes my fun-filled day here today at Disney's Blizzard Beach. It was a lot of fun. Especially like the lazy river and like the wave pool and some of the slides that I did. Fortunately, I couldn't film it because my phone isn't waterproof. I'm just literally filming with my phone, but still had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the lazy river because I did try to get that on film for you guys. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much because that does mean a lot to me. For those who are not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below alongside the bell icon so you guys never miss an upload from me. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. Remember to be kind and stay humble. I love and appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you all real soon.